Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Abshin.
The actor, writer and director Mncedisi Shabangu passed away on Sunday, 24 July at his home in Mpumalanga. The sad news of the actor's passing was posted on Instagram by his close friend Hamilton Dlamini, who is also an actor. He wrote, "Mncedisi Shabangu passed away yesterday night. May his soul rest in eternal peace." The family also released a statement on Mncedisi's Facebook page, and the statement said, "Dear all, it is with great sadness that the Shabangu family informs you of the sudden passing of Mncedisi Baldwin Shabangu. He passed on the early hours of this morning. The family appreciates all messages of condolence and requests privacy at their difficult time. Memorial and funeral arrangements will be announced soon." The family member of the actor, Mncedisi Shabangu, told Daily Sun that Mncedisi had chest pains and not stomach pains. May his soul rest in peace, sending love and prayers to the family and his friends. This man was really talented. Share your thoughts on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.